Dark corners and dull curb appeal? Light it the right way. If your walkways are dark or the backyard feels uninviting after sunset, professional outdoor lighting can make your home safer and better looking without a massive remodel. From path and accent lights to porch, patio, and landscape lighting, our licensed electricians design and install lighting that fits your home and the Gulf Coast lifestyle. The pros at Peaden walk with you through your property to plan fixture types, brightness, and where your switches will live. They'll check power availability and code requirements too. When it comes time to install, we use weather-rated fixtures, tidy wiring and controls, and verify every circuit. You'll get a simple walkthrough on timers, motion sensors, and smart options so you can set it and forget it. Peaden has served the Gulf Coast for decades with professional electrical, plumbing, and air conditioning. We handle the details: clean work areas, permits when required, and a neat finish that looks like it's always been there. Want to expand later? We can phase projects so that you can add zones or highlight features season by season. Ready to make nights safer and your home shine after dark? We're here to help. Book your outdoor lighting estimate today.
Peaden, the pros you can trust.